Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling Flash on Google Chrome. At the end of 2020, Flash will be completely discontinued on Chrome, but for now we can still use it. Open up Chrome and tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen and then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and click on Advanced. Now click on Site Settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the option for Flash. Click on that. You can now click on the toggle to allow sites to use Flash. And that's it. Note that if you quit Chrome, you will need to come back to this setting to enable Flash again. Chrome switches it off as a security measure. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.